Cold start.
She's been running pretty good.
Started. Does it lock automatically, or?
Yeah, because I've had locked it before.
Oh, okay.
I'd like to slow down there.
Wasn't sure what the hell.
Oh, yeah.
We'll be on YouTube.
The only thing is, when I'm driving it, like if I'm doing, say, 90 kilometers on the highway, it's up around 3,000 RPM.
Oh, you were saying, yeah.
But another guy I was talking to, he said, shit, that's a 4-cylinder. He said, you never heard that. He said, you can run at 4,000 RPM, it's not going to hurt it, he said.
How many Ks it got?
195,785
Shock seemed pretty good on it.
Yeah.
You hit that freaking bump back here, it didn't seem to do too much.
No.
Bet you if you gunned it down here, you'd probably get some pretty good air, right?
Oh, more than
That freaking bump, that's tip shocks in this thing are pretty good.
Yeah.
Like, you didn't bottom out or nothing.
No.
It actually runs pretty good.
The only thing I don't like is my steering wheel.
Oh, my truck is like that.
No, but
too.
he was a
Gross.
fucking mechanic.
Yeah, my truck is like that.
And I've cleaned the fucking thing.
You can't. It's all. This is actually worn off, is what it is. So it's all freaking sticky. You can't. You have to put a cover over it. Yeah, I'm fucking lost now. You go up here.
This is the back road with Gerald's.
Holy shit. YouTubers are gonna like this one. They're like, where are you guys, fucking Italy? Nope, Trailbees. There's that guy in the van right there. That's the fucking van.
Is it?
Yeah. Let's kick the shit. Oh, fuck. Whoa. Oh, we got that on the YouTubes. narrow Italian roads in Italy here.
Should have backed into this fucking van and clipped it.
He waved, yeah. Thanks for not fucking me up. Holy shit. You gotta go up still.
Oh, fuck yeah, we're not done yet.
Fuck. This is even a road, or?
Yeah, this is the fucking...
So we're on a back road romp almost, it looks like. If it wasn't for the pavement, you'd really be wondering where you're going.
Yeah.
Holy shit. You're going up again?
Yep.
Fuck. What's this like in the winter? You ever been up here in the winter?
Yes, I drove it lots of times in the winter.
Oh, fuck. You'd never make it up here with a four-wheel drive.
This thing here, front wheel drive, I'll walk right up here like nothing.
Holy shit.
See, instead of going all through town, through the fucking lights and everything, you just come this way, it's a lot quicker. Just gotta watch, looking roads are narrow.
Just with a big truck or something, like, holy shit. Bus doesn't come this way, does it?
Yep.
Well, you mean that, like, when it goes around your house, it goes back up this road? Makes that corner?
Yep.
Holy shit.
I don't know why the fucking bus driver doesn't lose his cool doing it.
Well, their buses, I know, are a bit smaller than ours.
Oh, I'll show you a Chevy I want to get my hands on if I can find it, get her fucking up.
Well, this is nice here, right?
Yeah. Nice, or get enough balls to stop there one day with some money.
Well, how much is it?
I have no idea. It looks to be in the 70s. It might be a 72 or 69, somewhere in there. Straight down around the corner here.
Old Ford there.
Yeah, it's been sitting here since I've lived up here.
Actually, it's not bad up in this area. A little bit wider.
See it? Blue Chevy?
Oh, yeah.
See it? I don't know what year it is. The body is pretty good on it. I looked at all the side fenders and usually just brought it out, eh?
Old Suburban diesel,
Yeah.
6.2 liter.
Yeah, the whole front end's off. Another one, front end's all off.
Cheryl still lived next to Leanne.
Yeah.
So what? His parents own that house?
Yeah.
But she gets along good with his parents, though, right?
Oh, well, I don't know.
They're not together.
Not together.
Well, this is where Danny used to live, isn't it? No.
No.
Can you go to Danny's old house without having to go downtown?
Oh, yeah. This
All
way.
along the hill?
This way, yeah.
Holy fuck, the whole thing was built along the whole hill here.
See that house where that car with the lights are on there? That brown roof house?
Yeah.
That's where Amy lives, her and her boyfriend.